My worst fear has come true, and there is a bird trapped in the laundry room, so I am going to get the window open with the bird inside that I can see. No, I can't see it anymore. I don't know where it is. Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh, God, I don't know where it is. Oh, God, I don't know where it is. Okay, it is in here someplace. It's not moving. Oh, God. Oh, God, I don't know where it is. Oh, God, I see it. It's right there. You can't see it, but it's behind. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's behind the laundry basket. It's behind the laundry basket. So I am just going to open this window very quickly. This one right up. Oh, God. And now just one more. I have to set the phone down. Oh, God. Oh, God. And this window's not going to open. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Ooh. Oh, God. Okay. So the window's open, and it's back. Can you see it? I can't. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's a bird. There's a bird in the laundry room, and it's the window is open, and I don't know where it went again, and it might be gone. It might be gone. I think it's gone.